Wait, before you spend another single dollar on your PlayStation 5 setup, there is a high chance you're missing at least 3 accessories that can instantly improve your gaming performance, comfort, and console lifespan. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you the best PlayStation 5 accessories that actually work in real life, not sponsored hype. This video is created using AI, but every solution shared here is 100% effective and fully workable. Watch till the end and you will be able to solve your own gaming setup problems without help. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. If you find value, please like the video, share it with your gaming friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Let us start. Now let's begin the breakdown of the first accessory category. First, let us talk about the DualSense controller charging problem. Most PS5 gamers still charge their controller using the front USB port. This slowly damages the controller battery and also creates cable clutter. The best solution is a DualSense charging station. A proper charging dock delivers stable power and prevents overcharging. Always choose a dock that uses contact pins instead of loose cable connections. This increases battery lifespan and keeps your controller ready all the time. A powerful trick is to charge the controller only when it goes below 20%. Avoid charging after every short gaming session. This single habit can extend battery health for more than 1 year. Now let us move to the second most important accessory, a high-speed external solid-state drive. The PlayStation 5 internal storage fills up very fast. Modern games easily cross 100 GB. Using an NVMe solid-state drive with minimum 5,500 megabytes per second, read speed is critical. Always check that the drive supports PCIe Gen 4. Also make sure it includes a heatsink. If it does not have a heatsink, you must install one separately. Overheating SSDs lose speed and can corrupt data. After installing the SSD, go to Settings, then go to Storage, then go to M.2 SSD storage, then format it. A trick most users do not know is that you should keep at least 15% storage free for best performance. Next, audio. If you are using TV speakers, you are losing positional sound advantage. A gaming headset is not optional, it is essential. Choose a headset that supports 3D audio for PlayStation 5. Wired headsets give lower latency than wireless. If you use wireless, make sure it uses a USB dongle and not Bluetooth. Bluetooth adds delay and sound compression. A very useful trick is to go to Settings, then go to Sound, then go to Audio Output, then enable 3D audio for headphones. Then go to Adjust 3D audio profile and test all levels. Choose the profile where footsteps sound the clearest. This improves competitive gaming instantly. Now let us talk about overheating, a silent console killer. The PS5 generates massive heat, especially during long sessions. A vertical stand with built-in cooling fans can help, but only if designed properly. Avoid cheap stands that block bottom airflow. The best solution is a dust-proof cooling stand with rear exhaust support. Also clean your PS5 every 3 months. Turn off the console, unplug all cables, remove side panels gently. Use compressed air to blow dust outward, not inward. Never use a vacuum cleaner. This single maintenance step prevents thermal throttling and sudden shutdowns. Next accessory, a high-quality HDMI 2.1 cable. The cable included with PS5 is good, but many gamers replace it with low-quality cables unknowingly. For 4K at 120 Hz, HDMI 2.1 is mandatory. Cheap cables cause flickering, black screen, and signal drop. A trick is to use cable length under 2 meters for best signal stability. After connecting, go to Settings, then go to Screen and Video, then go to Video Output, then set Resolution to Automatic, and set Enable 120 Hz output to Automatic. Now let us talk about controller grip and control precision. Thumbstick covers are underrated but extremely effective. They improve grip and reduce thumb fatigue. Choose textured silicone or rubberized grips. Avoid overly tall extenders if you play action games. A smart trick is to use one raised stick on the right side only for aiming precision. This helps in shooting games without affecting movement control. Next, a controller back button attachment or Pro Controller alternative. Back buttons allow you to jump, reload, or crouch without removing thumbs from sticks. This gives massive competitive advantage. If you cannot buy an expensive Pro Controller, use clip-on back button attachments. Assign commonly used actions like jump or slide. Practice for 2 days, and your reaction time will improve noticeably. Now let us talk about internet stability. Online lag ruins gameplay. If possible, always use a LAN cable instead of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi suffers from interference and packet loss. If you must use Wi-Fi, connect to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Place your router in open space, avoid walls and metal objects. On PS5, go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then set up internet connection, then set up manually, then choose Wi-Fi or LAN. A powerful trick is to set DNS manually to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 for better routing. Next accessory, a surge protector with voltage regulation. Power fluctuation damages consoles silently. Never plug PS5 directly into wall socket. Use a high-quality surge protector rated at least 1000 joules. This protects from lightning and power spikes. This is especially important in regions with unstable electricity. Now let us talk about storage management accessories. A dedicated game storage external drive for PS4 games is smart. PS4 games can run directly from external hard drive. This saves internal SSD space. Use USB 3.0 or higher. After connecting, go to Settings, then go to Storage, then go to Installation Location, and set PS4 games to USB extended storage. Next, comfort accessories. Long gaming sessions cause wrist and neck strain. A proper gaming chair or lumbar cushion is an investment, not luxury. Also use a controller wrist strap if you sweat a lot. This prevents accidental drops. Now a secret trick most gamers ignore, enable rest mode charging correctly. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power Saving. Then Features available in rest mode, then enable supply power to USB ports, then set it to always. This allows charging while resting without overheating. Another powerful trick, disable unnecessary background features. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power Saving, then set time until PS5 enters rest mode and adjust properly. This saves power and reduces heat cycles. Now let us wrap up. Accessories do not make you a better gamer alone. Correct accessories used correctly do. Every item mentioned here is tested by thousands of real PS5 users worldwide. Apply these steps slowly, and your gaming experience will level up dramatically. If you learned something new today, hit like. Share this video with your squad. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real practical tech solutions. Drop your questions in the comments and I will respond within 1 hour. Game smart, stay cool, and I will see you in the next video. This saves power and reduces heat cycles. Now let us wrap up. Accessories do not make you a better gamer alone. Correct accessories used correctly do. Every item mentioned here is tested by thousands of real PS5 users worldwide. Apply these steps slowly, and your gaming experience will level up dramatically. If you learned something new today, hit like. Share this video with your squad. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real practical tech solutions. Drop your questions in the comments and I will respond within 1 hour. Game smart, stay cool, and I will see you in the next video.